Bay leaves. 3 unusual and amazing uses of bay leaf tea. Hello, you are welcome to our channel Afro Natural, where we discuss all natural things, natural beauty, natural health, natural life hacks, and natural remedies. And in this video, I'm going to be teaching you 3 unusual plus amazing uses of bay leaves. Boiled bay leaves, that means bay leaf tea. Bay leaf or bay leaves is not new. It's a natural plant that is very popular because it has so many benefits, it has so many uses, and it is very, very effective. There are different types of bay leaf. There is the one from California. California bay leaf is from the Western America, and there is the bay laurel. But the commonest one is bay laurel. And talking about bay leaf, this is bay leaf. This is bay leaf. You have bay leaf, and they come in different shapes and sizes. There are smaller one, there is a bigger one. But this bay leaf is very important. I guess you know the manifestation benefit, the spiritual benefit. It has a lot of health benefit also. But I'll be discussing 3 with you that is unusual. A lot of people don't know this. No. And by the way, before I go on, how do you make bay leaf tea? It is very simple. Just get 3 leaves or 7 leaves into 2 cups of water and boil it. 3 or 7 leaves into 2 cups of water and boil it for 5 to 10 minutes. After boiling for 5 to 10 minutes, then you leave it to steep. You leave it to steep for another 10 minutes. Number 1, bay leaf tea. You can use bay leaf tea to cure sore throat. You'll be using it to clear sore throat because it has a lot of antimicrobial, antifungal properties, and it has some essential properties like eucalyptus in it. And eucalyptus is known to clear. Then there is Eugene. All these are known to cure sore throat because sore throat precedes, in most cases, precedes cold, and cold precedes flu like malaria and the rest. So the onset of sore throat, you can clear this. You can clear sore throat with your bay leaf tea. Bay leaf tea. It is very, very effective. Just drink it. And you can be using it. You can use it for 5 days, and it will be okay. Everything will go. That's number 1. The second one that I'll be discussing with you, that I guess you don't also know, is that it can clear congestion that you have in your bronchial or respiratory tract. A lot of people have congestion. Once you have congestion, it will lead to onset of cough. A lot of people will have cough. If you can take this, now you are not taking this tea alone now. If you want this one to be effective, then you can add cloves. You can add cloves. I will show you the image. Cloves in my local dialect, we call it ire. You can use ire to just, you add some quantity of ire to the boiled tea, and it is very, very effective because, like I said, it has antifungal, antimicrobial properties. They do all these. It even have antibacterial properties. It does this very well. It will clear the congestion. It will clear the cough. It eases the congestion and make the cough. It softens the cough, and the thing, your chest will be clear. Everything will be clear. You can take this and you take it. You know, normally it will be stable, a little bit hot. You don't allow it to be cold before you take it. You can be taking it for like 3 mornings. You can be taking it morning and evening before you go to bed. So that's the second one. third unusual uses of bay leaf tea is that it has property that is analgesic and anti-inflammatory, and at the same time is antibacterial. It's also antifungal, like I said in the beginning. So you can use it in different ways. You can use it in different ways to treat inflammation. If you have inflammation in any part of your body, you can add make the tea very hot one and use it as as inhalation. The steaming hotness, you now use a sheet to cover your head with the aba tea. This will relieve you of the pains because it has analgesic property. It also has anti-inflammatory properties. Another way to do this is to the tea. Just put, if you have aching feet, you can just put your feet in the tea, not hot, now warm tea, just to relieve the aches on your leg. Then it also has anti-inflammatory property. If you have some antifungal property, if you have problems, some fungi in your legs, you can, or any part of your body, you can use this to just use it to massage the place, and that will go down. Then another thing is that you can use the herbal tea. You can use it as a cleanser for your wound. If you have wound, you can use it to cleanse the wound. You can use it to clear the wound. One other unusual uses is that to treat varicose vein. If you had if you crush the bay leaf and had with olive oil, then you allow it to stay for like 2-3 days. Then you'll be using it you'll be rubbing the oil on the part that you have varicose vein. It might be on the leg, it might be on the hand. You don't need to. A lot of people will take injection to treat their varicose vein, but there are natural things to use. One of them is bay leaf and olive oil. Olive oil also have anti-inflammatory properties, just like bay leaf. Bay leaf also have anti-inflammatory. And the good thing about bay leaf is also has antifungal and antimicrobial properties. So you can use it to treat varicose vein, and it's very, very effective. Very, very effective. So there are different ways to use bay leaf, but I just say I should bring these unusual uses, unusual and amazing uses of bay leaf tea. Apart from making it tea, that I've also taught you how to use other things. You can mix it with oil. You can use it for steaming, just steaming, cover your head with it. Then you can be taking it as tea. Even if you don't have sore throat, you don't have congestion, and you don't have any inflammation, you can still use it. It's good for general health. It's known to cure so many things that you are not even aware of, and it's good for your health generally. But a warning, there's a warning. If you are pregnant, it's not advisable for you to use this. If you are pregnant, it's not advisable for use. It is not good in pregnancy. It is not good in pregnancy. So don't use this when you are pregnant. Well, apart from that, it is safe to use. I'm not a medical doctor, but this is something that you can also check it out. You can Google it. You can ask people who knows about apps, and they will tell you all these things I've just told you. If you are not subscribed yet, please go down and hit the subscribe button. Like this video, then share this video so that others can benefit from this. Until I come your way again, remain blessed.